excited to share this with you. I had never heard of eFavorMart before, and I don't know how, because they are legitimately like the best party supplies company I've ever found. I will now be using them for every single birthday party and holiday for probably the rest of ever. It is a one-stop shop that brings all of your most Pinterest-worthy dream party plans to life. And the best part is that everything is at wholesale prices, so it's super affordable. You can get all of your party basics like balloons, table linens, flatware, plates, but they also have amazing statement pieces like those big arches that you see all over Instagram and floral installations. There are over 10,000 products to choose from and order ship within 24 hours. I feel like for past parties, I've been frantically trying to cobble together a cohesive theme from like Etsy and big box stores and Amazon, and this had everything that I needed on one website, which was so convenient. Everything got here super fast.
Thank you guys so much for celebrating with us. Love you guys lots, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.